Tansy's gonna do it. Careful, it's gonna move. Try again, you can do it. Try again. Come on, Zippy. It didn't even move. The string scared ya. The string won't hurt ya. Get it, Perry. Try to go from the inside. Get it, Tansy. Wanna go from that side? Try. See, Perry's trying to get it from the inside. She's a turd. Look at her. She's like, I'm gonna get it from the inside, Mom. Nope, Mom put it too far away from the bars. You can't get it from the inside. You're thinking, though. You're thinking.
If I can get Tansy to grab it and push it to me.
I already tied it to the end, so they can't push it to each other either. None of this velociraptor dinosaur herd hunting.